Well, do you notice anything different about this Plymouth? Oh yes, dual exhaust. So, I spent some money finally. I got to the point I could not stand the way this car sounded anymore. It had a single exhaust with numerous leaks on it. Even though it had been repaired more than once, it still leaked. So, I just decided the time had come to upgrade. So what I did was I took the Dynomax Super Turbos off that red car, that dark, because I've got some more mufflers free I don't want to use. So they were just perfect for this car. So that's what I did. Went and had the muffler shop run new pipes and put those mufflers in. Those are the good old ones. They're about 20 years old, but they're in good shape. So I'll start this thing up and do a couple revs for you and see what you think. Hope you enjoyed. See you, bye.